Want to create animated cartoon videos without hiring animators or learning complex software? In this review, we will see whether ToonBee AI is worth your money and if it is the best AI cartoon video generator available today. Overview. ToonBee AI is an AI-powered animation platform designed for content creators, marketers, educators, and businesses. It helps you create cartoon-style videos quickly using AI, making animation much easier than traditional software. Features. One of ToonBee AI's biggest strengths is AI-powered video creation. Simply enter your script or idea, and the platform generates animated scenes automatically. It also includes customizable cartoon characters, backgrounds, props, and animations, allowing you to personalize your videos without starting from scratch. Another useful feature is text to speech. You can generate voiceovers using AI voices in multiple languages, making it easier to create videos for global audience. ToonBee AI also offers drag and drop editing, so you can adjust scenes, characters, and timing without needing animation experience. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage is its ease of use. Beginners can create professional looking cartoon videos much faster than with traditional animation software. It also saves time by automating much of the animation process, making it useful for YouTube videos, marketing content, explainers, and educational projects. Cons. However, it does have some limitations. Advanced animators may find the customization options less flexible than professional tools like Adobe After Effects or Toon Boom Harmony. AI generated animations can also feel repetitive if you rely too heavily on the default templates. Pricing. ToonBee AI is available through paid plans, and pricing may vary depending on promotions or licensing options. Before purchasing, it's worth checking the official website for the latest features and current pricing. Final verdict and conclusion. So is ToonBee AI the best AI cartoon video generator? If you are looking for a beginner-friendly tool that creates animated cartoon videos quickly with AI, it's definitely worth considering. While it isn't a replacement for professional animation software, it offers an excellent balance of speed, simplicity, and useful AI features for most creators. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments, have you ever used ToonBee AI or not? Check out our other AI software reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.